housekeeping. Our phones are all on silent. Welcome if you are joining us live there. Please comment in the section there. Talk to yourselves because we are busy. But we'll attend to you after hours. Please communicate. Tell us who's your favorite. Tell us what you could have done better. Whatever. We're here for you. You are here for us. So, with that, welcome to another edition of the Boardroom Slammers. The month's topic is My Voice Matters. If you're expecting something along the lines of love, we are busy. We are busy. There's no time for love. Love costs money. Trying to change the world. Our voice matters better than the love that some of us might not be caring, but we want him. Hope. But come on, our voice matters. So, our competition, for those who don't know, I'm seeing quite a few new faces, which is lovely. I love that. We need more. Next time, bring your friends. That friend you left, bring them next time. They're also welcome. This competition is for Durban-based and surrounding areas. So if you're a poet, if you desire to be a poet, if you think you might be a poet one day, this is the platform for you. There's no boardroom in the entire KZN. I know that for a fact. In fact, in the entire South Africa, that is going to give poets the opportunity that we're giving you here. Mengamanga, please tell me, right there in the comment section, tell me who's doing it. If they are doing it, are they doing it better than us? Questions. So, you're welcome, guys. This platform is not just, like jokes aside, it's not just the boardroom. That live is watched by absolutely everyone in this world because that is how far the Poetry Africa and the Center for Creative Arts reaches. International standard. So come through, guys. You don't know who's gonna see you and you don't know what you might get. So I'm seeing something there. If you seeing someone walk past and you're like, how is someone walking past in front of the camera? Guess what? It's a late comer. I don't know. What do we do with the late comer? Do they perform first or last? Right there in the comment section. Yeah, the house says first. What is the comment section saying? First. Oh, look at that. The last shall be first. So, with that being said, just for the judges, a heads up. Ooh, booty, ooh. There were 2 late people last week, and he was one of them. And they're doing it again, so I don't know which one is the one. But the one has arrived, and then the other one is still doing that. Oh no, guess what? They did it again. They get you know, in front of the camera cup, they want to see you. Just yes, this is him. So now I'm sure that we can add so Aina, that's gonna be our first performer. I'm sorry, judges. We're gonna write it there at the bottom, but started from the bottom, now we're here. And then number 2 is gonna be Putus Pamanda Njapa. And then that order is gonna change, meaning that Usponiseni is now number 3, Lodja, you're now number 4, Nikita, you're now number 5, Zenande, number 6, and then Zotani, number 7. So, let me introduce our judges. I'm busy talking to them, and we've developed a relationship now. They've been here early, on time. Everyone was ready to do this. So, these are my people now. So, our judges, we have, in no particular order, we have Sis Luyanda EM. A round of applause for Luyanda. Sis Luyanda Siyanda is a professional South African Zulu poet. She's an author. She's a Satma Award winner, a recording and performing artist based in Durban. She has won no, but she won a lot of money. A lot of money from the Etelwini. It was the Etelwini Municipality Talent Show. She took the prize. It was a lot of money. Poets, I got the money. Hold on, brothers and sisters. There's something there. Hola. 1, 2, 3. 4 zeros. And she's also been crowned Best Poet at Keep Arts Alive, and she's contributed 10 sonnets to Amandla Osiba Poetry Anthology. A round of applause for And then today's Dawn Amongst the Roses, we have Mr. Hlakanipho Sakwe. A round of applause for Hlakanipho. Hlakanipho is a producer, director of photography, presenter, theater and screen actor who has been on Netflix and multiple TV commercial brands, big brands. Guys, I'm not know his name, but back there was a time. It's not that back. And then there was that advert. Wait, and that's what happened. But at some point there was this guy waiting. Plastic. I remember that one. I remember. So I know him as Mr. Plastic. So he is a BA in Dramatic Arts graduate from the University of the Witwatersrand. He's a partial New York Film Academy Scholarship recipient. So international levels. Very nice to see international Shandisi. So we are going to 1 + 1 is level. And then a round of applause for Mr. Hlakanipho. I'm not sure what's happening to my mic. Are you hearing me? Yeah. Please in the comments there, if you don't hear me, tell me. And then, last but definitely not least, we have Miss Marcia. Is it Marcia or Marcia? Marcia. Marcia Mzindle. A round of applause for Marcia. Marcia is a Durban University of Technology lecturer. She is a freelance writer, director, choreographer, dancer, stage, project, and production manager. She's also a Masters of Arts in in Drama and Performance from KwaZulu-Natal holder. She also holds a Film and Television Production Operations Certificate from Big Fish School of Digital Filmmaking. She has worked on the Jomba Contemporary Dance Experience, and if you know that is family. She has also worked on the Flatfoot Access Festival and the ADDN Jomba Ability Festival. Wow. So, we are going to put if you are looking for a job. That's all I'm going to say. And with that being said, I would like to introduce our top 10. In alphabetic order, we have Uladia Kasimu. A round of applause for Uladia. We have Undumiso Aina. A round of applause for Undumiso. We have Nikita Quartz. A round of applause for Nikita. We have Sponiseni Hlambisa. A round of applause for Sponiseni. We have Sibabalwe Samla. A round of applause for Sibabalwe. We have Sfiso Majola. A round of applause for Sfiso Majola. We have Spamanda Njaba. A round of applause for Spamanda. We have Tabani Madiba. A round of applause for Tabani. We have Zenande Chomela. A round of applause for Zenande. And we have Zotani Mtembu. A round of applause for Zotani. So if you're wondering why I had to read out all those names, it's because of what I told you in the beginning. This platform is not just for fun. We are exposing people. We're giving people a platform. We're giving them an opportunity to be known in spaces that they might never have even known of, in spaces that they might never imagine of being in, and taking them to those spaces. So it starts by respecting the poet's name. That's why I said, if you're going to share, if you're going to screenshot anything from this live, please make sure that you mention the poet. Respect the poet, please. And thank you. And with that, I will not waste any more time. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna need the audience to remind me, because like this thing, I'm gonna need cameras. I forgot who's number one between. Who's from a judge? Not me. So with that, ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for our first performer. We still remember the rules. Well, we have newcomers. So we have a rule here to make our slammers feel like we are all in this together. We participate just in the beginning. So the slammer's going to give us their name, and then we count them down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, slam! And that's our contribution to the performance, and we are done. The rest is on there. Ne? So, a round of applause for Dumiso Aina. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, slam!
Wathi sithabathi inyathuko magumbamana omhlaba zinguma sithela sisigudle njalo izintaba ngamaqaphelo siqaphe ngokungaphezi ngethemba hleze sikufanise namanje kasikakwazi ukuphila kahle ngaphandle kwakho nethemba liyala sikubuyisa ngencwadi engcwele abasiphakamisa abothotshiswa abasithobile bophakanyiswa nini nasahlala hlezi sisithobile linda isina muva liyabukwa sasina sasidaqaza phansi la emuva khona yedwa othe wasibuka ngenxa yobunzima sibilo siphenduka ugwadule mjulo ngokwesithukuthuka uqhamuke kakusakhalelo likapondo noma ngabe utshingi ngoba makulale edliwe inkemani inkekethile ingqondo inqabile namathambo ayo kethina phosa ucabanga impela kwethu kweinyawo zandla ngabe siyazibambela sizamile ukuqina isibindi kepha ithemba liyangokuphela ngoba thina abantu sizalwa sazi ngqolo kwalomhlaba silibala ufumbathi sizibusise sizalwa sisifumbethe bukhazikhazi balomhlaba siledele sifuna ukubuthinta izilingo zigalelekile zizosivivinya qaphelani izilingo zigalelekile zizosivithiza qaphelani sokuyalezela nyamezelo sifumanele wakho umsila mbila unakuswela ngoba impilo le kayimpilo ngaphandle kokuyiphila ngakho philani zeniphile ngokulunga kakusiza ukukhulekela ukwengezela ukuphila sikuphila kube kungenayo impilo ngenxa yokungcola kwemicabango ephenduka izenzo ezingalungile emphefumulo yonke mayihlanzeke ngoba ukuphila kwayo ukuphila ngokuphilisana ke sikushaya indiva ukuphila ngokudonsisana chabo make kukhulekwe nenhlambuluko hleze iqhamisa inhlanzeko ngoba eqinisweni ngakuzona zonke izona ezakhiwa yiphutha nenhloso iyazakha ngokufuna ukufeza izinhloso zayo sesaphila kakhulu ngombango okwenza siphange kakhulu ngehlo nendlebe bese kuyakusiguqula sibe ngamahlo ngandlebe besizwe samakhola khulekana zenikhulekena nomkhubulana hleze sibhulele nanti langabi lokufa elithungelana lithandelana ukuthi sikuphi kanti lana ngiyasola kwacashisa igama ngelinye lana ngiyasola ukuthi ukuphila kwaba isiqalo kwisiphetho salomhlaba esaphiwa ukuphila sacisha iqiniso okuyilona eliwudondolo lokutotoba kulempilo esihamba sikhutshwa amampunge nomono kwazi ukuphenduka amanzi maqedwe uqamba incane okumenza ukuvungamisa nkahlo ukufunga isongezo ebese ngingabonakali kahle ngasolini ngoba umsuka ukuswela umsuka ukuhluleka umsuka ukuhlupheka ebese sikufinqa konke ngethemba esingena kulahla ngoba siyilo ngakho kuphila kwethu kuyithemba asinako usilahla ngaphandle kusikelela ushintsho amen
That is how you open up the slam. I will keep this mic hot. Let's get it ready, get ready. A round of applause for Spamanda Jaba.
Sibambisana. Bhekani kunenqokozelo phakathi kwesikhathi nokuhamba. Savuthukela phansi sasilambile. Esasilambile uketshezi lwenziwa amandla. Kolunye kulezi insuku kuyaphela bhekani kuyaphela nomlotha. Uthando nje sezizimelele ngalo nalo likhazimula izinkanuko nokuzenzisa ingobani kwenziwa ngebomu. Ukuphendula isilwane silumana sodwa bhekani sizingonyama zizingelana sodwa. La sikhona. Kunelanga nomthunzi nephunga lonye nenzondo kuyafana nokwanje. Lokho la kukulempilo sithi yaphambili kepha bonke bayakhula qede basishiye kulomhlaba usuhlathana kanti ubani owazi phambili. Ubani owazi indlela yaphambili. Nowazi phambili usangabuyela yini emumva noma owake wayaphambili usangabuyela yini emumva. Angakho izinhliziyo ezikhona. Sebasitshela nangobubo ukuziphindiselela ngitsheleke wena wakho asibona phi isikhuni sifutha sodwa bhekake kuyiqiniso. Inqokozelo yavuthukela phansi njengoba kuphela nathi nesikhathi ngoba lento abakayizungquduki yanqwabelana ndawonye kwimizamo iyashabalala gcolo kongabonanga okwakho ukukhathazeka kuzilile leli tsheka lizugwinyeka nemndwezo kayishayi kwenqonde kuki lethi inhlupheko lokhu kunakwaza mcolo buke kungenathemba ngixoleleni lomndeni kuthungela inzondo bekumele ngibe inhloko ngesibonelo kepha kangibhekanga kwizenzo zami kangiqaphanga ngiyasoleka kangiphiki bekumele sibambisane eceleni ke singabheki sijabulisane kangeke ngibeke icala kuwe ngenxa yokuxolelwa lami ithemba lizenze nomphefumulo wakho ukuze sithole ukuphumula nomphumela walowo uxolo wenza impilo ibe yipokophela ngaphandle kwakhe yana impilo ifana nomuzi ongasahlali namuntu ofisa ukukhosela nalo uxolo iqhubekela phambili lenqubekela phambili kayingakuphuthi ze ukhohle nala uphuma khona ukhule wazi lomhlaba uyahlonishwa lendlela ifike ngovivi ngileke nawo ukuthukusa ze ungawuboni lomhlaba ungenakuthula uqaphela ulambile ulingisa thina nowawumgodla kawugcwala isifundisa ukwamkela ngiqinisekile emhlala amazwi akhe isithombe sicacile neyosiqonda ngiyobe ngingasekho nangenyama ngethembisa uzonakekela unyoko nanye nomdadewenu ngethembisa ngiyacela ithemba kakusinto ephilayo kimi ngilahlekile ke okungididayo nakulendlela engiyihambayo ngilithola usizo noma ngizama ukumemeza kekho sabelayo namandla ngokungiphelela ngenxa yokubanzi balenyathu kokunzima kulempilo ngiyakutshela le yimpi engiyilwe ngiphuphuthe nokuphusile bengithi ngikubambele igcina ihluthe nawe ithemba lami kulesibani silokoza kalivindi kawuzuqonda nami futhi kangizudima ngenxa yokuqonda kombe yimo wacela nalapho futhi kangizugqina ungifundisa ukuba nengxoxo ebalulekile nokwehluleka kwami esami isikhathi sisodlula maduze ngiqinisekile hleze umdalo bese ngihlelele nginentwento kawuzuqonda ngenxa yemsindo nemkeneneze emtoti ngikhathazekile kawuzungethemba phela iqiniso lithi okungapheli kuyahlola kanti kuyisono yini okuhlolayo angithi lamazwi aphendula iqiniso okugaqelwe iqiniso ukuze kusimvelo layo ukhoyo sobala namuhla ngizokhulula ingoluloko ngimoshile ngiyavuma ngonile nentethelelo kayingifanele kuphela ukulahlwa ngaphandle kubunene okonakala okunganazwelo izala lengilungelo nenkumbulano ngizilungiselele phezulu kuyinhlezane ze ufumane injabulo nokuthula kweyakhe impilo ngoba sibaningi siyamemeza kepha lokuqabalasa kangeke kwakhubazela leya mizwe yakhelele nothando sakho bekakhulu kulo kubuye injabulo nokuthula hlezi yampilo besibekele ezayo.
Yeah. So just a heads up to our new slammers. If you keep your eye there, behind Umandlovu, Konomunyu Mandlovu, the lady in the orange African print, she's your timekeeper. If she waves that, she's telling you to wrap it up because she's giving you 30 seconds heads up. Then after that, she's gonna say time's up. When time is up, any second you go over is a point that's going to be deducted from your final score. So, wise up. Okay, with that, let's not delay. Mr. Sboniseni Hlambisa, a round of applause.
Ngizim Africa ngiyabingelela igama lami Sboniseni Hlambisa.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, slam.
Kondlo thumela ingqondo wathi umlomo ngishoba lokusiphungela incazelo ngemihlambi kaze lusile kule mihla ngiyayibona kwathiwa ukuhamba ukubona singakahambi nakangako pho sase sibona kangaka
usiboniseni mangibizwa bengibuzwa thiwa siboniseni ubonisweni nathi usibonise ngibona inquluma eliwedwa izindonga ngenxa yokushoda kwenhloko ngibona imizimba ihamba ingqubuzana ushoda amakhanda izinqola ziyashayisana ushoda abashayeli ngibona amaqhaphozi egazi kumnyama indlala nosizi nakhya kuyeza njengemvula sonke kuzosinetha ngakho njalo ukushoda kwalo iqiniso kondlo thumela ingqondo kwathi umlomo ishoba lokusiphungela kwembulwa kwembeswa bathi bembula ngala bambese ngale ngibabona benikana amasu besehlathini befundisana ukucupha imigogo yokubamba inkosi yezinyoni umsindo wamahlokohloko kulesasihlahla ekhala ngobungozi bokwakhela ngamaqubenge kuyalezwa kuzo zonke izinkalo kuthiwa kunenkulumo ezothulela isizwe mawuthubeka indlebe nje kuyabhibhizwa kondlo thumela ingqondo kwathi umlomo ishoba lokusiphungela kucashwe ngeyithupha ngisho sekunjengezinqa zesele osekusele sekuyibona nje ukuthi umhlaba ugoqe ngoba kushuthi uzogoqa ngathi namangazi kubuye isibonakaliso sika Johane kwisambulo sasho ngakhona nesilo sikasenza ngakhona sathani soze lilibuze uhambe eshilo nobayede kabheka uZulu ukuthi kuyosha izikhotha ubhejane phuma nje esiqiwini amanxeba siyazikhotha bakwethu sasesiphila ngaphansi kwemigomo salethela imigomo inhloso yini injobo ithungelwe bandla engakhali efelembelekweni kodwa bahleni bo ngisho sebemathambo mhlophe emalibeni abathuliswa ngokuphimisa iqiniso asikalibani nokho okuningi asikuficanga amakhathaleni sibona upelephele uvuko ugqokweni oAdam ababesithiwe ugqokeni ngesizathu sangalisa sikhathi esanamhlanje siphi kondlo thumela ingqondo kwathi umlomo ishoba lokuziphungela
Amen. Shambisa is slowly becoming one of my favorite boardroom slam testimonies. Slowly but surely. If you don't know what I mean, invest in watching these lives. Then you're not gonna be left out every time I say things. With that, let's go straight into it. Nadia? A round of applause for Nadia Katibu.
Nadia.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, slam!
In the court of history, case number 2026, Laudia versus colonizers, apartheid, and systems of oppression. Complaint for divorce from oppression. Plaintiff, Laudia, daughter of Africa, descendant of survivors. Defendants, colonizers, slave traders, apartheid regimes, systems that tried to silence black voices. Statement of complaint. Your Honor, I am here to end a marriage I never agreed to, a contract I never signed, a lie that lasted centuries. You drew borders through my continent, through my rivers, my villages, my language, and called it civilization. You told the world we sold ourselves for mirrors, beads, trinkets, as if the guns, the chains, the terrors didn't exist. You left out the largest plantation, a human breathing farm. My ancestors measured, counted, paired, sold like livestock, like property, like you had the rights. And even then, we resisted on ships where rebellions fled, mid-ocean, on plantations where songs became secret maps to freedom in whispers and hidden languages and faith that refused to die. Apartheid came. Your laws told black people where to walk, who to love, what jobs you could hold. You said we were less, but we marched anyway. We sang anyway. We struck. We studied. We survived. We resisted. And now, you gave me English, thinking it would make me small, quiet, obedient. Funny, isn't it, that I indict you fluently, that I use your language to name your crimes, to document your lies, to reclaim what is mine. I speak for the ancestors, chained, beaten, auctioned, silenced. I speak for children who still ask why home feels so far away. I speak for the imprisoned, the exiled, the executed, the disappeared. I am cutting ties. I am reclaiming my voice. I am divorcing every system built on blood, theft, lies. I will not be quiet. I will not be erased. I will not forgive your crimes in silence. English is no longer your weapon. It is my sword. It bends around my anger. It carries my remembrance. It speaks the truth you tried to bury. I demand acknowledgement. I demand accountability. I demand restitution. I demand my inheritance, dignity, pride, freedom. I demand my voice, unbroken, unignored, unstoppable. Dated this 27th day of February 2026, respectively submitted, Ladia, plaintiff, self-represented, unapologetically free. Thank you.
Sabawelu divorce employment. No, Sabawelu who my housewife. Oh, thank you, Ladia. Ladia is also, if you're watching, you know. With that, let's not waste any time. The mic is hot. Nikita Court. A round of applause for Nikita.
Hi, my name is Nikita.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, slam.
I've walked through fire, through nights so long, carried silence where I once had a song. The word pressed hard.
Sorry.
Thank you. The word pressed hard, left its mark, turned my light into fading spark. But still I rise, though not unscarred. My soul stitched up, my heart mirrored. Bruised, not broken, fragile grace, with strength that time cannot erase. I'm blooming in cracks and pain, like wildflowers after rain. Not perfect, no, but still I grow, a soft kind strength to show. So judge me not by the wounds you see, but by the roots that carry me. I'm bruised, yes, but I'm blooming beautifully. Thank you.
This is the new member of our family. Nikita has promised to grow with us. As we grow, she grows with us, and we are grateful. Welcome to the family. With that being said, okay, let me distract the pattern of our motion. So another participant was running late, has arrived. Sibabalwe Samla. So I'm just giving the judges a heads up that, and the slammers, of course, a heads up. There's now 8 slammers as opposed to 7. Okay, no, I have to show you because now you're like, what? It's this. And it moved in a very funny manner. Okay, right. So with that being said, let's go for our 6th slammer, Miss Zenande Chomela. A round of applause. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, slam!
She streams silently, body covered in scars. She is ashamed of the pain she wears daily. Tears wept in silence flood her soul. She streams for help, only pain could hear her voice. She streams silently. A guardian's hand meant to shield became an instrument of darkness. Death whispered in her ear, fear chained her words. Silence became her only shield. She streams silently. The pain she hides in... I'm sorry, can I start again?
Yes. Let's go. Relax.
She streams silently, body covered in scars. She is ashamed of the pain she wears daily. Tears wept in silence flood her soul. She streams for help, only pain could hear her voice. She streams silently.
It's okay. Can you read it? Do you have it written down? Let's take it. Let's read this. We are here to unearth it. It's there. We are all seeing it. Otherwise, we're so down with it. But it's there. We're not gonna let it disappear right in front of our eyes. We're not gonna do that.
Yes.
And also remember, we are a family here.
Yeah.
We're not saying this as a joke or lie.
Yeah.
Literally, we are a family. So, delete. They are very good with delete. Timekeepers very good with reset.
Yeah.
Ushengiwe, last year's only female winner,
Yeah.
and the champion
Yes.
is giving you all her energy.
Yeah.
We are here, we are for you, because we know that you are for us. So delete what just happened, that didn't happen, take it again. So give us your name again and we'll cut you down.
It's Zenande Chomel.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, slam!
She streams silently, body covered in scars. She is ashamed of the pain she wears daily. Tears wept in silence flood her soul. She screams for help, only pain could hear her voice. She screams silently. A guardian's hand meant to shield became an instrument of darkness. Death whispered in her ear, fear chained her words. Silence became her only shield. Words chained by fear, but the changes in her behavior could tell it all. The pain she hides daily could sing a never-ending song. Tears wept in silence could write a never-ending book. The trauma she lives could reshape the earth she streams silently. Abused at protector's hand. A place called home became a crime scene. Tears fell, but abuse continued. Lust overpowered love. Tried to report him, but silenced by the family, told she is bringing shame unto the family. She is running the family's reputation. Lift the veil. We live in a black society where our voices are silenced, our feelings are shut down, our pain falls into deaf ears, our mental health is sacrificed, all in the name of protecting the family's reputation. Yet we stream silently, she streams silently. I'm a streamer!
Should. Don't ever shut up. Scream. I once wrote a poem that says, young girls do cry. Cry, scream, make noise. Get their attention. Punish them with your voice. Your voice matters at the end of the day. If you're wondering who is that, it's one of our new members. Don't worry, you're still going to get to know her. She's new, but she's family now, so you're still going to see it. There's something about, I don't know what, that reminds me of the way Uhlengiwe recites. Take time and watch her. I don't know what it is. I could be wrong, but there's something that I don't know what it is, but it reminds me of her. Okay, right. With that, we're keeping the mic hot, and we're going to our number. Oh, 2 more. Let me teach one, okay? Our number 7. A round of applause for Zotani Mtembu. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, slam!
Akusiza ukuthula umuntu ole kanzima khuluma. Woliyeka lihambe ijuba phambili bolichutha. Akusiza ukuthula umuntu ole kanzima khuluma.
Ukuthula nomnzima kunabakho uma kuhlula ukuthula musukuthula khuluma. Ngoba kekho wathi impilo izobalula. La kunamaketanga ukhulekiwe ungakhululwa ungakhuluma. Ucele kwinkosi yokulunga uThixo uxolo nokuthula. Uma kunzima ukuze sathwala kangaka ndisoneni. Sasethuneni lamagama kuswe kanjani ukuphika embhalweni. Sagiya wathula kodwa ngenabani. Wathula inhlupheko isinizibethela kanti kwenze njani. Sakhala sanganako ukubhula usibethayo. Safunda sangaphasa safesa sangaqashwa. Sazama sangathandwa saphanda kwangalunga. Kabonga bona kuyamjabulisa ukusibona sikhala. Ngoba usishaya indivu uma sishawa impilo. Siphenduka izilimi imihlanganyela nezitha. Kanti kuyoze kube nini thina besitha. Kuyoze kube nini siyisithulela zinyawo kubaphathi bomnotho. Ngoba kwabanye indlala ibhokile izinyembezi ziyahluleka ukuqaqa ifindo lomshado kwinkaba nomgogodla. Uma sonke sadalwa ngokulingana kungani kukhona izikhondla khondla. Akusiza ukuthula umuthwele kanzima khuluma. Ukuthula nomnzima kunabanikazi uma kuhlula ukuthula musukuthula khuluma. Kuba mnyama kakhulu mase kuzobusa. Kushisa kakhulu mase kuzolunga. Izinyembezi asinasi isindo kodwa siqukethe umusindayo umuzwa. Ngakho nawe umuzwa. Umnzima qina impilo soze yabalula. Uma kusile ntanga sukuma lahla ingubo bhukula. Vuka phusha ihlatha linampunga. Impila ikholula. Wakhuluma umbhalo nina nathula. Naphenduka izimfama nalalela nangezwe nagcina ngokubuka. Iflaski kuphela yaphumelela ukufela ngaphakathi khuluma. Ngoba ukuthula impendulo enokuthula kodwa impilo yakhe izokuma. Bengisacela ningithula khe angihlula ukuthula. Ngikhuluma kini nisanethuba nana nokhuluma. Yafela embelekweni ingane ngokuthula. Akusiza ukuthula umuthwele kanzima khuluma. Ukuthula nomnzima kunabanikazi uma kuhlula ukuthula musukuthula khuluma.
Okay, with that being said, last but definitely not least, yes, he was late, but not least. A round of applause for Sibabalwe Samla. Come home. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, stand.
His conscience clawed its way back to him. In the silence, he felt every pair of eyes he had shuttered burning through his skin. Ghosts he created now, suckling like vultures. He had reached the end of himself. The well he kept drawing cruelty from had finally run dry. He had done it so many times that the rot had fused with his identity. He was no longer a man, but the aftermath of himself, the wreckage he had left in others staring back at him, a self-made explosive wired with his own cowardice. Ticking quietly in his chest, he was always meant to be its only casualty. That was the debt he earned, and the debt now collecting. Thank you.
Well, you're not going anywhere. Next month you are here. The next month you're gonna speak into the mic. Next month you're gonna come here and do what we know you can do. So, welcome, Ekai. This is a home for poets that are based in Durban or surrounding areas. So this is a home for you. Come back here over and over so that you can get to be seen by people. You don't know who might give you that opportunity that you've always wanted. With that being said, we are done with the first round. Judges, please step out, follow Ms. Talente so that you can argue in a very demure manner, because if you do it here, we're not going to respect you. Okay. Now, it's time for us to gossip about the judges. So, just a heads up to everyone who showed up today and participated in our round one. Thank you very much. I hope you, especially the latecomers, I hope you spoke to finance there. There's something very important that you need to fill in. Make sure that everything is written correctly. Because Dr. Ismail has done it again. He did it again. Yes, last month you were like, hi, Bo, what is happening? I said, nope. It was just a matter of protocol being observed, trying to increase what could be increased. Okay, the increase didn't happen, but everyone who participates in the boardroom slam automatically gets themselves 300 Rand for their trouble, for their art, for their time, for their name, and for the respect that you gave our invitation and you applied. So already, sekuyahlekeka bafethu. Ikhona into yokuhleka phela usungasmile yabo. And then you get the winner again, is gonna be the one who shall laugh last. So with that being said, we also have the Time of the Writer Festival that is coming up. It starts on the 26th, but then on the 21st of March, we have an event, Poetic Symphony. Please guys, zivezeni, show yourselves. If you don't have money to buy the ticket, don't miss out. Remember, what did I say? We are a family. So now how are we eating if the cousin is outside? It doesn't make sense. So speak. I'm not just talking to the slammers, even you as an audience member. You have, by stepping foot past that door, Chaiti, you touch is a move, no going back. So, yeah, so keep your eye out on the Time of the Writer page. I don't know what they'll be doing. There might be opportunities for you as poets to do something there. I don't know, guys. Just keep your eye out on the Time of the Writer page. There could be an open mic session. There could be something. That's why I'm going to open the mic now. I'm going to give you an example of what there could be on the 21st of March. I'm going to call up a lovely champion. He was a champion last year in May. He came back, he was like, nah, not until he dethrones Uhlengiwe Mnyanzi. I'm coming back again. So he was champion for last month, and he was like, you know what? Let me give you some. That's why he'll forever be my favorite story out of this boardroom so far. So a round of applause for January champion, Samgelo Mhlongo. Hand of steel.
Igama lami uSamkelo Xolani Kamhloli Sibongo. Ngiyabonga. Ngizowenza ipoem isihloko sayo sithi isicoco somkhonto. Get ready. Abantu bami bayazisa. Senze lento kanjumani. Abangaziyo ngizobafundisa.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, Jomale!
Isicoco somkhonto yigazi ekudleni kwawo. Yimibungazo kuchakadula ubuhlungu ekujuleni kwamanxeba. Iminjunju igazi likhishwa ngesihluku emaqhibeni enyama linekwa nhluzwa emhlabathini imizimba yaphenduka amanxiwa. Amagobolondo asake amumatha lokhu kuphila ayoshiywa emathuneni. Uma ngabe lemizimba ingamagugu umhlabathi unesihluku ngokusobozela uthoboza lawo magugu amsulwa asengamahlule zakhala igazi izibeletho zabesifazane zibabaza lesi sihluku umhlabathi kawume ukuba ukhamisa ngithele. Hlala ngentombi isiyanele lemzimba osuyidingile. Impela ibhazo libuya nenhlanhlulo. Umdali ushonisa ngokuphila, siyokhokha ngokufa. Inzalo ukuphuka kwezinhliziyo nokudabuka kwamanxeba kulabo esiyobashiya ngemumva mhla sesiyufulathela lomhlaba. Lomhlabathi esaphuma kuwo maqede sawuphuca ubuwona kuwona nakuthina usuyasigwinya ngamunye njengokaKesari kubuyiselwa kuKesari lemizimba uyayidinga nelanga selakhathala ukushona lodwa ingakho selaphilela ukushona nezalo izidumbu.
Man, hey, Alnastina Ilan. Ufa. Ufa. Okay, so isn't he amazing? Champion year, January. If you want to see him again, come back next month. We don't know, but he will definitely be performing in September.
Yes.
Oh, in September, Shigishu that's where Uhlenge was like, wash these boys. Wash these boys. Wash. So, September. It's happening. It's going down basement. Get ready. Already, someone here is going to be joining Ujomani September. We don't know who it is yet. The judges are still fighting. The judges are acting up. Ngazi, I saw a wig move, and none of the judges was wearing a wig, so I don't know what's happening. Oh, let me continue with my gossip. So guys, besides the Time of the Writer Festival, we have multiple other festivals that we have, especially for our new family members. Now I say, yes, there's a chair for you here if you don't mind. Like, you are part of this family. So you are more than welcome to come and sit this side. This is the VIP. The reason for our being here. Now I say, if we are right now. Yeah. So we have other festivals. Nakon, you can slot yourself in, guys. One of my favorite things about Uladia has somehow participated in almost all our festivals. She came to Boardroom Slammers once, she was like, wash this. She left us washing. Because she's been part of ISPE2, which is part of the German International Film Festival. Jomba, you were there. I remember seeing you somewhere. Guys, this is why this platform is here. And you are still not doing enough. Had you done enough, I wouldn't be saying this. Even you, audience, you are not doing enough. Why are you not in the database? Oh, hello, champion. Last year. Ex-champion. Out with the old, in with the new. So, why are you not on our database? Exactly. Because we are supposed to be there. That's why we all don't have an answer. Please, guys, send an email. Send a WhatsApp. Manje, we are living in very amazing times. Like, you even have a WhatsApp number on our social media platforms. Send. Ask, can I be in the database? Can I be informed about any opportunities? Be that person who puts themselves out there, because sometimes when we need people, we forget because we're under pressure and we start taking whoever is in front of us, and those are the people who are always raising their hands like this. So, and you know, something might happen. Oh, I need to top 6 in the tag churches. Okay. Wait, let me turn it. Turn it in. 10 up. 10 down for what? Okay. In no particular order. It's probably in the order of their performance. I'm gonna call up the top 5. They're all gonna stand here. You're gonna take the pictures, the videos if you want, and then it's on again. So, a round of applause for Spamandla Njapa! A round of applause for Sponiseni Hlambisa! A round of applause for Laja Kasimu! A round of applause for Zotani Mtembu! And a round of applause for one of our new family members, Zenande Chomela! Take the pictures. Videos. This is our top 5, ladies and gentlemen. It is the judge's decision. Ningathi no Steve Harvey. Okay, right. If you have those types of phones that need a second to think if you press the camera or you gallery, it's fine, just raise your hand. No hand. Yeah. It's part of my phone, actually phone. Okay, thank you. And just like that. So, this is the order of their performance, right, judges?
Yes.
So this is the order that they'll be performing in next. So we'll have Spamandla Njapa first, we'll have Sponiseni Hlambisa second, we'll have Laja Kasimu third, Zenande Chomela fourth, and Zotani Mtembu last. Ready? Set. A round of applause for Spamandla Njapa!
Spamandla Njapa.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, slam!
Lawa makho uthanda yangokwelotha ngiqinisile ebuka nesikhathi siyancikisela. Eyami injabulo ngayifunga ngawe mdla ngikwamukela mina nginawe kuyami impilo necilongo kanti ukhala. Kwasa saphuthazana nothando sibilini salibala nokulibuza kwinhliziyo lapho salifumana khona. Sadla sanceda nesithupha siphaka umdaka phendula. Umwezwa masu amphenduka sokungishiya nemibuzo ngasisa ngokuba lenhliziyo seyiyabanda ngamakhazi okuphila ethuneni ebengakagcwatshwa kulo nokulindelwa kwalo bengakaziwa lamakhazi angqula lisibili. Usuku nenjabulo kangisakhunjuzwana indlela lokuphikisana okwahlezi kuphikisana namanxeba abhibhayo kwizihlungu ezihlungu maqede kuqheke kubuhlakane kuhlakazeka amazwi kushayisana imizwa kuqhubula izixayika siqhakaze ngembuzo engezuphenduleka ngoba thina sadukana isimilo sala nokwevuma nezinhliziyo zayithandela nogodo sibhekile ilanga lishona sisaba nje ukweqhaqa imidlinzo siyasiphendula izicila zokufuna uthando selasihlamuka thina sazibiyela ngobukhazikhazi salibala nokuba buyinto uhambo lamaqaphela kulaleli inhliziyo yongithanda ngokungasinge ejuleni kangizukuyiphakela indlala ayithanda khona nowawungodla ungabenzo yenyoni uma kwenzeka ukhumbule emumva akuvikele lamazwi ngokuba ngiyonquna kweyokubuyela emumva hlezi lokhu kwesona lakho bese kufike ukuvuthwa indaba lalempilo abayenze indingilizi lapho uvuna khona okucalileyo. Thina satshala uthando kwamele inzondo kwasicacela siyofuna ukufa ngalokuhlanganyela kwenhliziyo nomuzo kuyangisolisa ukhono siqhinzele ezibini ngoba sexa sikhombisa nokufa kuzama ukumsendela kwenamathonga uhluleke eqinisweni ukugwinya injikona kona okuhlahlele entshinyathuko lezi ziphambeko siphenduka imbali ephupha ukuba ngiyifundile kwizifundo zamathando lonongomnini walenhliziyo lapha kimi naye imidwa yethu izikhukhula zamazwe ankencezayo nokuthembeka kukho ku alokho engibalisela ngekusasa sebaliphendula imumva lami kepha kuyothi ngabhondoza khomo imthwali yobile ngobhokweni ngilibangise kwantabe kude naleli liba lalenhliziyo esithuliswe uthanda manje inzondo kanye nokuzisola kakadibilo khanithi asibuyekeze lezigome zokuqembukela lobudlelwane ngokuba yona ekusaba ukusikhihle sikanandi inqobo sodla magalani le inzila nengcebe engasikhuliselayo nangisadla nhambana kulo magada ahlabayo ithi nayo iwuthando lwenhliziyo nemibuzo ethi ngizokuthanda kanjani kalenhliziyo ephulwa yilo lolu thando.
Mina nje apha ngeke ngiyakufuna futhi uthando boza yami ngisho noma ngaluma maqala uyaqona ngihamba ngani yeah. Without wasting any time, a round of applause for Mr. Sponiseni Hlambisa.
Usponiseni Hlambisa igama.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, slam!
Lusezithebeni ematheni amandla asolwimini, it's my voice that matters. Esomhambi singangentwenyoni saneliswa esinakho sibonge sikutholayo samukele asikufisi okunye nokunye asikuphoqi sindlala ithemba phezukwendlela okuyilona losiphendlela lisikhanyisela indlela uma kumnyama ubumnyama bese kuvela ukukhanya uzokuthukuluza khona ozokududuza izolo bekuyinhlanhla namhlanje yibhadi lendlela ayihambayo ungalubhadi siwantu kwayifani sabantu asifani le ayikho fani kuyawufaka nosawoti esilondeni iyathunqala nenxeba mawuzoyilapha ngeqiniso lihleze libaba lusezithebeni ematheni amandla asolwimini, it's my voice that matters. Asivame ukuqonda ngokwethu ukwazi nolwazi sikholwe okukaThomasi ngokubona endulo kwakusetshenziswa imvelo ukuqonda isikhathi nenkathi ngenkathi esawo omunye ngabanye sekwavelani manje inqobo isekutheni sibuyele kobethu ubuthopho imgogo lesibekela inqobo ngokubambisana singathungelela injobo kusobala sishawe umhlaba saliwa na imvelo nabomwalimu abasekho ngingumelusi ngosiba ngisikhalima ngale mbhalo ngisibuyise kwabiweni lusezithebeni ematheni amandla asolwimini, it's my voice that matters. Eyomile iyaziyela ziphuza umngeni iphume emgqeni alisuswe kwamanye elinokubola umbono yabo engangeni ngesango iyafohla sabohla nakumanyosi oyishayile engakayosi bingakahlosi ayihlabi ngakumisa nelihle ligcwala izibungu abelumbi abazelana lesikhathi esahlukanisa inhloko nesixhanti kumuntu nobuntu ziphekwe zivile sebheqe nesethanga engabisiphe sovuthwa kuqala yaphekwa netshela vuthwa kuqala kwakuyiqala esaphathiswa othwele imfundiso yabamhlophe yaqeda lobuhlobo masingamphathisa nje othwele singakubungaza ukusinda ngoba ethole kusindwa nongathwele asingondleli impuku eweni lusezithebeni ematheni amandla asolwimini, it's my voice that matters.
Let's keep the mic hot, let's keep the mic hot. A round of applause for Laja Kasimu.
Ladia Casino.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, snap.
I need to raise him up.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, slam.
10 years old, hiding in the corners of a room thick with burnt oil and dust, walls heavy with old anger, your ears pressed to the rhythm of voices you should never know. He called you names, whore. Words meant to stick, to mark, to claim your body before you had a chance to choose. The metal taste in your mouth, the cold crawling into your legs, the way your stomach knotted with premonition, the knife hovering like a shadow. But hear me. You are not the word he gave you. You are not the silence he demanded. You are the scream that ripped from your throat before the thought could catch it. Feral, alive, unwilling to be swallowed in survival, something inside you changed. The air pressed against your lungs, the way your body learned to watch, to listen, to anticipate. Do you feel it now? That slow burning metamorphosis, I am her, Medusa. Born in that moment, scales forming where fear had nested, eyes sharpening where vigilance had lived, hair coiling like serpents that hiss your refusal to break. He did not choose you, he chose biology over protection, filling the house with silence instead of justice. Your stomach turned at food that seemed foreign, as if the walls themselves were complicit in the way the world failed you. I am Medusa now. I carry you in my eyes. I carry the little girl who pressed her feet into the mattress to feel something solid, the one who learned that vigilance is survival, that safety is a skill you practice, the weight of silence, the hollow ache of betrayal. I have turned it into armor. Your voice, once small and terrified, has grown teeth. Your words are fangs, your gaze a shield, your body a temple of power that no one can undo. Every fear you lived, every threat you survived have fed the myth you are now. Unshakable, unbroken, unshatterable. You are transformation itself, every injustice petrified by the weight of you seeing. Do not apologize for the scream that saved you. Do not shrink for the girl who trembled. Do not hide from the world that feared you had become. I am Medusa, and I tell you, your voice matters, your survival matters, your story matters. Little one, rise, step from the ashes of that day, from the smell of burnt oil and dust, from the rooms that would not protect you, and know this, you were never powerless. You were always Medusa, and now the world will see you, or it will turn to stone. Yeah.
Uteni never watched the screen that saved you. Elijah. Alright guys, and the beauty of this is that this year we're very intentional. All these slams that you're seeing here, they're going onto our YouTube channel. So if you want to watch it again, take it in your own space, so where you can cry, where you can scream. That's also allowed. Just don't do it here. Because then I'm going to cry and then everyone's going to start crying. But thank you, Queen. With that being said, a round of applause for Zenande Chomela.
Zenande Chomela.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, slam!
Indoda kayikhali ifela ngaphakathi. Besho bembela abafowethu amathuna. Bebaxhobisa ngeikhali sokuhlukanisa umphefumulo nenyama. Bexupha unoxhaka wokwisela umhlaba emhlabeni uthuli othulwini. Maqede bahlehlele emuva bebabuka impilo ibashaya. Emalibeni bebaphelezela ngehubo likaqina ndoda, indoda kayikhali ifela ngaphakathi. Yafa indoda ngaphakathi, yafaka uthayi obovu, yehlukanisa umphefumulo nenyama. Ngoba umuntu ungumphefumulo, umzimba yidokodo lokugcina umphefumulo. Manje nithakaphile kanjani umuntu ekubeni efile ngaphakathi? Indoda kayikhali ifela ngaphakathi. Besho bebalungiselela intambo zokuzikilela. Maqede babashiye engcekeni yakwampilo. Qude manikiniki zindala zombini. Impilo izenzele ngabo bakhethe ukuzihlukanisa nayo. Abagqugquzeli babo baziphendule izisulu. Bekhala ngokubhedwa ngobende inyama bengayidlile ekubeni kuyibona abahleli bomcimbi. Icala ke lingumphikwa, ngakho kuyiselana amathe wasifuba niyeke amampungi. Bayaphela abafowethu, bakhululeni ngeqiniso, babhodle, bagonyuluke, bakhiphe ngaphakathi kuhle komuntu ofayo. Yekani amampunge bayaphela abafowethu. Indoda kayikhali ifela ngaphakathi. Ngiyabonga.
Okay, I know I said the last poem you reminded me of Uhlengile, but I'm not even kidding you now. In this one, you reminded me of Ule Tungwanyan. I don't know why, but there was something about the way you performed that reminded me of Ule Tungwanyan. So check him out as well. Last but not least, a round of applause for Zotani Mthembu.
Okay.
Now, so 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, slam!
Without the presence of seeds, we will never see how beautiful a tree could be. Without the presence of seeds, we will never see or experience how beautiful a tree could be. Wherever you are, just take your time and listen carefully. Let what I speak may not be judged by who I am. Let what I split determine what I mean. Just be different, don't set me as an ordinary being. It's better you rather believe and let me be a divine being. An oracles of the greatest ancestors. Let words upon you be a seed of miracles from the creator above. Let voice be heard without a doubt. Don't be lost, be aware even before it tears back. Even if life become a battle, voice can be used as a defense. When you feel the absence of your legs, remember power within your voice can help you to stand. No matter what, don't be quiet. No matter what, I won't be quiet. No matter what, I will rise and unfold the power that lies within my voice. No matter what, I won't be quiet. No matter what comes, I won't be quiet. It's time to say no, no longer silence. Time to be heard without the influence of tears. I will be loud and clear, filled with determination, no longer in fear. With each and every word I split, the splitted universe should unite as I speak. Let my voice be the voice of the voiceless. Let the world rejoice of my choices. Then the future will be where the coast. Without the presence of seeds, you will never see and experience how beautiful a tree could be.
That's all. There's nothing I love more than seeing a poet challenge themselves. Beautiful thing. That's why Mhlongo is a fave. Challenge yourselves, guys. It's my first time hearing Mr. Mthembu reciting in a language outside of your mother tongue. Push and don't push. So, guys, we are all in this together. It is a struggle, even for me, standing here. But this is life. And if there's one thing I love about us as Africans is that we do not give up. We do not shake at the face of fear. And we do what? Yes. Judges, please excuse us. We want to talk about you again. Oh, this paper. Talenta has a thing about wasting papers that I love so much. No, for real, like she doesn't play about wasting papers. So, how was that? Yeah. Thank you very much, top 5. Here, judges, please make it snappy. People are dying here. Okay, with that, let me tell you about our other festivals. Oh, wait. For those who are new here, guys, this year we are busy with the World Slam. So I do not expect to see anyone who's a poet here who is not going to be part of that. even if we volunteer, guys, if you're a poet and there are poets from around the world, why are you not there? Even if you are interested in poetry, even if you have a friend who's a poet, why are you not there? Is a must. Also, if you have a young poet in your family, because this one is just for 18 and above, but we have something for 18 and below. Lodja, I might need you to perform that second poem, which is that one word. Just delete the word. And then I'm gonna need you to perform that one for the young slammers, for chalkboard slam. So if you have a poet, even if it's a neighbor, even if it's a random child that you once heard reciting and you were like, Yasin, tell them about chalkboard slammers. It's strictly for high school learners. Amazing opportunities, just as much as these. There's prizes, yes, they do get money also. So dear, please, please, please give the children an opportunity that no one gave you when you were a young poet. And with that, I'm going to open the mic again. Ubuti uphakamise isandla.
Can I just sit for pleasure?
We have someone in line, but after gentle brother, Mr. NK, you shall. So we also have another. Okay. Let's get ready. Okay, Bandile, you know the deal. Are you gonna do the introducing yourself and then we count you down? You missed that. Okay, cool.
Okay. Name is Bandile Nkala.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, slam!
It is still with its presence. A fiery piece is its essence. Quite a shock to know how cold a warm speech is, bringing up its heat over a random day. There is no hesitation to speak. Clarity is in the room. The words of a great fate or an impeccable boom that makes the next speaker temporarily sense the impending doom. That this spoken word is heard in multiple ways, not just outside your lips, but within your hands and within the strategic planning of your head with your heart, of your words from the brain. So, verses are words with a strong starting lineup. By the coach, it's always by the book. Get ready for the attack of words to be concrete and ready to score with precision. Then you can see that a voice can encompass a whole team, either with a pen to a discussion. Through ink, you create a conclusion to remove doubts and confusion. The voice can attract and the voice is made to evoke emotion and to state importance that you see that the principles and practices that makes the impact better and align voices bigger show that vocal cords compose strength out of anyone and anything.
That's all that you can. Let's keep the mic hot, Mr. Buthelezi. Let's get ready. A round of applause. Should we count you down?
About lawless voices through my throat. Why critically criticize the existence of the society and bury them under pavement of history? His name is Black Magic Spell, from the clash of clans between the Europeans to Americans, between Senhensa gatherers to the headers, to the hatred between the Zulus and the Xhosas. the Muslims and the Christians, the black and the white, the wrong and the right. History pages whispers you need, but will less tend to give ears. I cannot make you righteous. Hatred is your nature, but nurture the new generation to love any being of any flavor, from race, religion, and sexual orientation. You are no artwork defined by the color of crayons that dances on your skin to make you conscious in either being you are yellow or green. I wish that human race will love each other. Thank you very much.
Thola ukuthi uqeda bona umuntu wase-America cabanga. But he's that little lazy guy. Okay, now I'm about to call a family member. So we had new family members join the center now. And one of them is about to give us a little son. She joined our finance team. But clearly, in this center, anyone should be an artist. Finance, HR, cleaner, anyone, mechanic, electrician. Because now she's about to show us a round of applause for Sinethemba Mdongo. Do you have a stage name?
Yes, National Poets.
Smash the poet. Smash the poets, ladies and gentlemen. Let's count her down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ngimbewu eyahlwanyelwa ngowesilisa emhlabathini ovundile qede yamila. Akathakaselanga nakuyihlakulela wabona kungumqanza ukuyinakekela. Wakhetha ukweqa amaqele eyibalekela. Akafunanga ukungibona ngaqa ngithatha unyawo ngicathula. Ngibumbanisa onkamisa nongwaqa ngiqala ngikhuluma. Ngilona angamazi uyise. Amazela esithombeni naso esilufifi bathi wangilahla ngizele mhlayela xa umamezele segijimela abangazele namanje usangumkhapheyana ebudodeni akafikanga ningangihluleli ngokuphenduka inkundla yabafana uma befuna ukuzihlola ubudoda inkinga kubona ngithungatha uyise engingakaze ngibe naye empilweni uSnash the Poet. Performer ithi ningamethi ibizo lo nguNoziphiwo umlobi wezifiso namaphupho ebesinazo izolo ngengomuso besithi siyakuba nakho konke sikufisayo singabantwanyana abancanyana ubungasibona sigijime ebaleni sidlale emvuleni sike saba msulwa thina ubungasifanisa nezingilosi izinhliziyo zethu bekuyihlala Nkosi kubusongabonwayo umona nenzondo ubungekufanise sidalo besingabandawonye ubungafunga sivunje sibelethweni sinye singakaqhathwa ukukhula kweminyaka usungaphika sidlelana umona sodwa unga
I know art is insane. Guys, art is hilarious. Yes, in the boardroom every single day in the meetings, when Usne is about to speak, everyone sits like this. So we can hear her. Because she's... Snatch the poet! I'm from Jerry Dr. Ismail. I couldn't find us. Okay. Kate. Yeah. Judges, thank you very much for the decision. As I always say to all our judges, We chose you because we trust you, we know your credentials, we know your experience, and we know that whatever decision you make, we, as the Poetry Africa Festival, as the center of creative arts and the University of KwaZulu-Natal, we are behind your decision, we respect it, and we know that it is the one, the two, the 1, 2, 3, no 1, 2. Yeah? Okay, right. Number 3 then. I'm gonna give you number 3 first, of course. Okay, let me move the mic. Mshongo once dropped the mic this one time. Yo, bazali bam. In third place, which means that they qualify to come back next month. They don't even need to apply. Of course, they'll send us their poems for protocol, but they automatically qualify to participate next month. Is a round of applause for, it's a gentleman. Siboniseni Hlambisa. Andy happy. Okay. Number 2, same story. They also qualify to be part of. And the female. Yo guys, female poets give me life. Because we all know this. We are in the fight. Tell them, Kenyiwe.
We
are in the fight to unearth female poets because we are dying here. The ratio is even 7-1, and it's not supposed to be like that. So, I'm happy. I am happy. Yo. Okay, number 2 is, I told you it's a female, right? Yeah. I want to take this home. I'll write a Facebook status. A round of applause for Nadia Kasimu. I'm going to talk after. Because if I talk now, is what I'm trying to delay, not giving you number 1. Yanas, you have that tendency, especially Umhlong. What? You want to see a competition? You have like 7 more. Yeah. Okay. As I told you, we call this the boardroom slammers. Because what? We're taking the poets out of any conventional space and bringing them into a boardroom setting, upskilling them, giving them a platform, giving them a voice, and an opportunity to first-timers like Uzenande Chamala to be. What an invader. Tomb Raider, Lara Croft, is that you? How dare you? We love to see it. Oh, man, this means that we could have 2 females in the final. Or more. Thank you, we're train them. Sister Bean. Yo, okay. Have you taken the pictures, the videos? Or center yourselves? Center. This, come closer, come closer, come closer. More, more, more. And then Meshi, they are Benas, man. Do you guys have a WhatsApp group or something? Hebo. Actually, is it fine if I have the judges join this picture as well? Or no, we'll do it after. Let's do a house, and then we also have a rule. Like you just arrived and now you are participating in new rules that you have not witnessed before. A winner like Kaya is not gonna change. You have to perform one last poem. Ile party jiga mesele uwinele. Ila poem sisilahla phansi. Umuntu man wasilahla. Wasakaza ibhodroom. Just one yana. Give us a taste of what you'll be doing in September. Joman, yeah, mfana. We are ready when you are, champion.
Champion,
you are champion, you are the champion.
Ubuhle bentokazi, amandla omfazi, ubuhle bentokazi, inyathela ngabantwana, indoni yamanzi uqobo lwayo, oqolo lwayo liqheba ubude, ophimbo lwayo kugobhoza amazwi okuphila, ngesimilo nokuthobeka kwayo ingakucoba amathambo uyidele zonke iy'nkomo zikababa, isimangaliso sendalo, amandla omfazi. Nina nikwazi ukukhulisa iy'ngane zabo ngisho benimithisa beniphika, nizinakekele noma benithuka. Nina nikwazi ukukhulisa iy'ngane zabo benimithisa bebaleka, nizinikeze uthando abangakaze baninikeza lona, nizinakekele kepha nina nibe lifa ngaphakathi, inyanda ekhanda, usana emhlane, inhliziyo emanxebanxeba, ithwele zonke iy'nkinga zalo mhlaba, kepha iphokophele phambili ngothando nesineke nesizothe. Hey nina nisimangaliso sendalo, uma benibiza ngembokodo bayaninciphisa, nina nisiya imbokodo kepha namandla akwimbokodo, niwukuthembeka okwimbokodo kepha nina anisiya imbokodo, ngoba imbokodo imandawonye kanti nina niphokophela phambili ninyathela ngesibindi. Ubuhle benu bungefaniswa, amandla enu angelinganiswa, ajule ngaphezu kokuqonda komuntu, yingakho nomdali anithemba ngokuletha indalo emhlabeni ngey'beletho zenu. Hey nina nisimangaliso sendalo esithotshelwa nayindalo, abanye benu oPhumalanga sikothe nelanga nilifaka amanzi emadolweni, yingakho liphosa kunina njalo yiswa ngabasiki bebuna ukuthi nina nenza nolwandle luyingabazi, angithi besanzulwandle ngobukhulu nangobubanzi, likwazi ukugcina zonke iy'mfihlo zalo mhlaba, kepha sokutholakela ukuthi iy'fuba zenu zijule ngaphezu kokujula kolwandle.
I hope you're gonna start getting ready for September. Get ready. And I hope each and every one of you is also getting ready, including you now and from. Thank you, and now I'm a kid. No, yes, champion. No, okay. I hope you're getting ready to submit your poems to the National Slam.
Yes.
Nikumbuka National Slam pelile ne World Slam.
Yes.
So if you're performing kule stage se National Slam, hello.
Hi. Hello people.
Injal. So with that, ladies and gentlemen, we have come to an end. To a lovely show. But it's not like we are not doing this again next month. Same date. On the 27th of March. Same place. Okay, maybe the place might change. Phela nikhumbule kuzobe khona i-festival. Remember, time of the writer festival. So if you submit your poem next month, asaz ningathi ngithe but. That's it from me. Thank you very much. See you, and thank you very much. We will see you one day when you decide to join us. Every day after this, we go out like the Degwe Itafula, and you won't even know what is on the table. Not saying that you are a Sita. Thank you very much. See you next month.